nice. It's definitely a nice car. In New York, you definitely see a lot of nice BMWs, man. Definitely, you see a lot of nice BMWs. And yo, guys, you guys should go ahead and watch the video with my backup camera. Me installing the backup camera. You guys should go ahead and watch that. I've been making a lot of good content and you guys don't watch it, man. And you guys also, let me know what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see more POVs or what? Like, I make so many different kind of videos, I don't even know where to start anymore. Like, literally, I even enjoy making my short videos, but you guys gotta watch them. You guys have to watch them. But honestly, guys, we have to get this car inside the shop. It needs suspension work. So this is why you guys have to watch the video, so I'm able to modify my car a little bit more, man. Nice little tunnel action for you guys. Let's go. That's nice too. Yo, it's always people in SUVs, bro. I don't know why they always be bugging out. I'm in a fast car and I'm not even wilding out, bro. It's always people in SUVs. I don't know why they drive like that. I couldn't even give you the reasons why. So we about to get on a cross county parkway right now. Yo, I don't know why that RAV4 moving like that, bro, but he's moving, yo. He better be able to stop. I got upgraded brakes. I can stop on a dime, bro. He better be able to stop too. Son was really moving, bro. I don't know why he driving like that. And I'm literally just following him, bro. That's it. I'm just literally following. Like I tell you guys, there's always people in big SUVs. Why get SUVs if you need to drive that fast, my man? That is crazy. But my exit is coming up, guys. I'm gonna have to take my exit and I'm going home. So yeah, guys, that was a good little run for you guys. That's all I have for you guys. If you guys literally want to see more video like these, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, man. I have a lot of content coming for you guys. This was just a quick POV, I guess, leaving my work back to home. So yeah.